Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what to stop and why. Open Airtel Thanks or dial *121# and view active VAS immediately. Once you see the list, copy service names and shortcodes. This prevents accidental unsubscription of core services. Make sure your phone has a working SIM and signal. Poor reception interrupts UST or SMS commands. If prompted, keep your ID or last recharge details handy for verification. Now you're ready to execute precise stop commands without delay. Next, act on each service. For SMS-based VAS, send stop followed by the exact service name to 121 or 1925 and wait for confirmation. Once done, for UST services dial *121# or the provided shortcode, navigate subscription or my services, and confirm unsubscribe when prompted. If you prefer the app, go to Airtel Thanks Services or Subscriptions, toggle off the unwanted items, and accept confirmations. Make sure to process each. Finally, confirm terminations. Review SMS confirmations and recheck active services via *121# or the app to ensure removal. Once done, keep any confirmation ID or SMS as proof. This helps if a charge appears. If a VAS persists or you don't receive confirmation, call Airtel Care on 121 or use in-app chat, explain the steps you took and provide timestamps. If necessary, escalate with the confirmation ID and monitor your next bill. Refunds or reversals may require one billing cycle to process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.